One hell of a time trying to put this tumbler in here. You could see the mess that I have here. I was trying to put this in here because the key got stuck at some point, and then fiddling around with it, I was able to turn it the way it's supposed to. Turn the key, and the motor goes on, the engine goes on. But then at some point, it got stuck again. I was told that I'd have to take this apart and try to line up. Let's see. All right, sorry. Try to line up these. I don't know if you can see them in there, but there is a gears that's supposed to line up with this thing here. I don't know what the hell this is called. I'm going to take it apart so you can see it. Because I'm having a hard time trying to hook it up. All right. Okay, so this is supposed to line up in here. Let's see if I can take this out. Okay, if you can see that, that's in there. But it's supposed to sync or mesh, if you will, with this in there. Okay, and I can do it outside if I take this off and shove it down in there and then line it up. It takes me a little while, but I'll put the lock cylinder and it would work fine. But trying to put this, line this up in here thusly is a royal pain in the ass. So I had to disconnect the ignition switch. That would give me a little leeway here. I know it's hard to see, it's a little dark in here. All right, so, and this is going to go back and forth. See, if I push it back, that's what happens, it'll fall off. It's put in there very loosely. Ford, no wonder people hate Ford products. This is junk, really junk. All right, so anyway, that's gets hooked up in there, and which goes in just like that. This is really loose in there. Okay, I don't know what this is called. I'm thinking it's the actuator shaft or actuator something. But there's nothing wrong with it. It's just when I put the key in, I can't turn it any further to where it's supposed to be in the off position. It just stays in the on position. And I can't manage to put it as it's supposed to be. So if anybody knows anything about this is a Ford column that's going into a dune buggy. Actually, it was in the dune buggy. They used Ford everything because that's what the guy had. He was a Mustang fanatic, and that's a Mustang, 1973 Mustang tilt collar. Although the tilt is not working, the mechanisms they just took out. And I'm thinking I might have to get another column, but everything in here is makeshift. Like I said, they used whatever they had, whatever they had. And this has a rack and pinion steering, which I really like. And they welded the U-joint to the collar, if you will. I'll see if I can get a closer look. Picture of it.